Mira, mira, más, mira.
Breaking news right now, tsunami watch has now been issued for our area because of an earthquake off the coast of Russia. ABC 7 News meteorologist Sandy Patel is here now with the very latest. Sandy, what do we know?
Well, Karina, it initially came in as an 8.0, but that has been revised, magnitude 8.7. This is the earthquake in Russia, and now we have a tsunami watch that is in effect for the West Coast. It includes the San Francisco Bay Area, California, Alaska, Washington, Oregon, Hawaii. So coastal communities who will want to seek higher ground, move inland away from the coastline, make a plan, set up a meeting point for your family, look for warning signs and sudden draining of ocean water. If the tsunami waves do arrive, here are the estimated times. Fort Bragg, 11:50 tonight. San Francisco, 12:40 in the morning. Monterey, 12:15 a.m. Santa Barbara, 12:50. Los Angeles Harbor shortly after that at 1:05. La Jolla, 1:15 in the morning. So what is a tsunami and what are we talking about? When you get a magnitude 8.7 earthquake and you've got all of this water getting... Oh! My goodness!
Investigation is currently underway to determine whether there is a tsunami threat to Hawaii. Breaking news off of the east coast of Russia, where we have an 8.0 magnitude earthquake. We have breaking news right now. An 8.0 magnitude earthquake has just struck off the coast of far east Russia. Now, this is not an air purple. There is Google 851 from